This is a Zillow website, and Zillow is not a simple website to scrape. There is a specific technique involved to get data from Zillow. So it's not trivial, so I will guide you through the steps. The first step is actually to load the website in another browser like Chrome. So I have actually searched for the location which you have requested, and this is the listings page. And if I scroll down, I can see the links to the subsequent pages. Now click on the link to load the second page and get its address, and paste this in any text editor. You can see that the ending part of the address contains the page number, which is 2 in this case. I'll change it to 1, and copy this and load this URL directly in WebHarvey. So alright, so we have now loaded the same listing page within WebHarvey. Now we can start configuration by clicking the Start Config button. Now click on the first listing. Click this button here, which actually gets more data from the area we clicked. So now you can see the details of the first listing. Let's just select only the first line using mouse and then click the capture text button. Let's give a name for this field, title, and click OK. So now WebHarvey have selected all the remaining listings automatically, as you can see in the preview area here. So now we need to get this data from multiple listing pages. So what we do here is we go back to the text editor, and we replace this page number portion with a code. Get this URL, copy, and then go to WebHarvey, open edit menu, edit options, add remove URLs from configuration, and paste the URL string here and click the apply button. And to get detailed data from each listing, click on the first listing. Again, click the capture more content button up here. Click the capture HTML button right next to it, and then click the apply regex button further towards the right. And you need to copy this regular expression and apply it. So now the follow this link button will be enabled. Click on it to load the listing details page. Now we can select further information from this page. For example, click the address portion and click the capture text to get the field. Bets. Area. Estimate. To get this estimate correctly, it is recommended that you click on this title estimate and click on this icon here, which actually gets the data or the text which follows this heading, and then click the capture text button. You can directly click on the price and select capture text. Alright, so now we have selected almost all required data from this page. Now click the stop config toolbar button to stop configuration. So now we have created a configuration. Click the start mine button to start mining data using this configuration. You can also now optionally save this configuration as a file if you want to run it later. So here we are just going to run this configuration. Click the start mine button, and you should actually specify the number of pages from which you need data. So this will get property details from 10 listing pages. Each page contains multiple listings, as we have seen. I click the start button. So as you can see, it's loading the first page of listings, and it got all the titles. Now it will follow each of this listing to load its details page and get data. So I hope this video is useful. I will copy all the strings, the URL strings and the regular expressions used in this video in the support mail. Let me know if you have any questions.